Hello everyone. This video should outline some of the finer points of how we have remixed our flex lunch schedule. I apologize for not being able to do this at our staff meeting, but hopefully you find this just as informative. So let's get started. So at the end of the school year and over the summer, there were at least 2 surveys sent out where we asked some questions about flex lunch, and you provided some feedback. If you want to pause and read some of the feedback off of the screen, you can, but these were the specific components that we took into consideration with the changes that we made regarding our flex lunch and how it's run. It's good to take a second and review what flex lunch's purpose actually is. First and foremost, it's to allow students to eat lunch. We certainly have students who do not utilize lunch for actually eating lunch, and we want to reinforce that with our students this year. They have 60 dedicated minutes. 30 of those should be spent simply eating. The other 2 kind of go hand in hand. We want to provide a daily opportunity for students to get support and enrichment in their courses outside of class. And we also want to provide an opportunity for students to participate in clubs that they wouldn't be able to before or after school because of other commitments like sports or the arts. So in short, these are the things that we have remixed, and we'll go into more detail during our shorter sessions on Friday. So in the past, our schedule has been kind of haphazard. So one of our primary goals was to simplify and streamline. So the schedule is done by hallway and not teacher. So an entire hallway will be open A or B lunch every day, and clubs will alternate between odd weeks and even weeks. The determination there is the date of the Monday. So if it's an odd date, it's an odd week versus even. In addition to that, open is open. So if A lunch, the M hallway is open, that means your door is physically open and any student may enter your room. This also includes days where you have club meetings or tutoring days. So no longer are we closing doors to have exclusive meeting times or club times. The same spaces will still be open during both A and B lunch. So the media center, the cafeteria, the courtyard, the gym, the media lab, and E117 with Ms. Balaj will still be available for both lunch shifts. One slight change is that in order to enter the gym, the students must meet academic eligibility, and that list will be printed every Monday, and we will certainly go into more detail with that on Friday. The same areas are still off limits, so the outside areas, the gym lobby, the auditorium, but a slight difference is no one is allowed anywhere down that hallway by the gym. So the weight room, the dance wrestling room, the small gym, all of those are completely closed off to students. And as always, closed doors without teacher supervision. So during lunch shifts that are closed, students are not supposed to be in those rooms. We've also altered the lunch sign. We put a line for you to write your room capacity. We would like all students to be in a seat or a desk, so not sitting on the floor or multiple students to a table sort of thing. So we have the ability for you to say, like, I have 23 seats, so students are aware of classrooms that may have slightly smaller capacities. I know some of our rooms are a little bit smaller. So again, that's just the quick and dirty. We will go into many more details on Friday. I will publish the live Excel document for you to review. It's really so that you can see which lunch shift we have designated for your hallway as being open, what days your clubs meet, but that won't start until after Flexpo, which will be about the third week of school. And if there are any things that you find that conflict, so we need feedback on, like, you have me in 2 different places at the same time or something of that nature so that I can make those corrections. I hope this makes sense, and I can't wait to see you on Friday to get a little more in detail about some of the finer points. Have a great day, everyone.